Hey there, sleepyhead. It's time for you to settle in for a restful night's sleep. So I invite you to take a few moments to find the most comfortable position that you can in your cozy, comfy bed. Getting your pillow situated just right. Getting the covers and the blankets just where you need them. And I invite you to place your hands on your stomach, maybe one on your lower stomach and one up near the ribs, so you can connect into the gentle inflow and outflow of your breath. And let's invite your nervous system to calm and settle with some deep breaths in and out. So taking a deep inhale through your nose, noticing the chest and the belly rise. And then exhaling gently, slowly through the mouth or the nose. Again, taking another deep inhale. And exhale. Again, inhaling and exhaling. Imagining your breath like the waves in the ocean. They just happen, very little effort. The inhale, noticing that wave gently coming in. And on the exhale, the wave recedes, the breath releases. Inhaling that wave. And exhaling, letting it float back into the ocean. Inhaling the wave and exhaling, letting it recede. Good. Now we're going to invite the body to release some of the tension and stress of the day so that you don't have to carry this into your sleep. And we're going to do that by tensing and relaxing areas of the body progressively. And I invite you to do this gently, maybe at 50% effort, so as not to strain or cause any cramping or too much tension. We're simply drawing awareness to the tightness and the tension that the body holds and inviting it to let go. So bringing your attention to your head, your face, gently scrunching up your forehead, your eyes, your cheekbones, and your lips. And on an exhale, blow it out and release. Now moving your attention to your shoulders and gently scrunching them up towards your head. And on an exhale, dropping them down and releasing. Gently tensioning your biceps, your triceps, your forearms, and your fingers into a fist. And then on the exhale, releasing. Now gently tightening your abdomen, hugging in your ribs, and on an exhale, releasing. Now moving to your glutes, your hips and pelvis, gently squeezing and releasing on the exhale. Moving to your thighs and your hamstrings and your calves, Gently squeezing your legs so as not to cause any cramping. And on the exhale, release. Now moving to your feet and your toes, scrunching up your toes and your arches. And on the exhale, release. And now we're going to do this with the entire body. So on the inhale, scrunching up from tippy toes to your head and fingertips, hunching up your shoulders, tightening. And on the exhale, release. And feel the whole body melt into the bed. Releasing and exhaling into the comfort and support of your mattress. Taking another deep inhale, and on the exhale, melting into your mattress. Allowing it to support you and cradle you for your sleep. On each exhale, keep melting into the mattress, trusting that it supports you, inviting you into restful, peaceful sleep. Now imagining that your mattress is slowly turning into sand on the beach, and that you're resting comfortably on the beach with the sand cradling every nook in your body, fully supported. You can hear that gentle lapping of the waves on the beach, drawing the waves in with the inhale. And on the exhale, imagining those waves carrying away any stress, any tension, any troublesome thoughts of the day. Maybe you can even feel the waves gently coming up to your feet, flowing up your legs on the inhale. And on the exhale, pulling down, releasing all of the tension and the stress back out into the ocean. Connecting into this rhythm of the waves coming in and out. Feeling fully supported by the beach you're on. Resting comfortably. Allowing the breath to sync up with the inflow and the outflow of the waves. Inhaling and exhaling, letting the water carry away the stress and the tension. Letting it gently float away as your body becomes heavier and heavier, melting into the beach. And anytime you start to notice the worry or the stress creeping back in, replaying events of your day or worrying about what might happen tomorrow, invite in the cleansing power of the ocean. On the inhale, imagining the water cradling around you, circulating around you on that beach, warming your body. And on the exhale, pulling the stress, worrisome thoughts, and the tension out of the body, back out into the ocean. so that you can sink deeper and deeper into the warmth and restoration of that beach. Inhaling the calm and support of those waters, and exhaling, letting go, and melting into the beach. I'll let you rest in this practice. The music will gradually fade out as you stay connected to this rhythmic flow of the ocean and the healing power of it, inviting you in to let go, to rest, to know that you are safe and comfortable and supported here. May you rest well, and may you awake in the morning feeling restored and alert and well rested.